Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing PKI, which stands for Public Key Infrastructure, I believe. Certificate Management, CySA Plus, Encryption Infrastructure. Oh, I didn't read it. So it is Public Key Infrastructure. Certificate Management provides the framework for securing communications and authenticating identities using digital certificates. Understanding PKI components, certificates, lifecycle management, and their role in encryption infrastructure is critical for securing systems and ensuring trust. Key performance, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Sorry about that, but public key infrastructure concepts, my bad. Certificate authority issues and manages digital certificates, establishes trust by signing certificates, generate a certificate signing request. OpenSSL, Microsoft CA, and DigiCert are some of the tools that you can use. Digital certificates bind public keys to identities, users, devices, and servers. We have SSL and TLS certificates, code signing, client authentication, example. Issue a certificate using OpenSSL, and Let's Encrypt. I like Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt's pretty good. Well, for OpenSSL, this is the command that would issue that cert. Registration authority. Verifies identities before certificate issuance. Ensures only authorized entities receive certificates. So no malware providers can receive them, stuff like that. Certificate revocation list and online certificate status is OCSP. Managed revoked certificates. Purpose prevents use of compromised or expired certificates. So like right here, we have certificates in Windows, right? So see all these like certificates and stuff? We have all these certificates in Windows that are signed by these different people, right? So those are certificates on Windows as examples of them for certain like software and stuff. It could be software, it could be websites. But to look at certificates on websites, for example, let's look at this certificate. So we go here, connection, certificate is valid. So we get the certificate, we get the public key, and we get the details of it, the SHA-256 and stuff like that. We get all these values from the certificate provider, right? And this is from the global CA, root CA, certificate authority, and then it goes down to the TLS, right? And then the website name, right? So they're using SHA-256 with RSA encryption, and that's how you would verify their certificates and stuff. But you'd also use OSCP, stuff like that, to actually go down and verify it. Or the certificate revocation list to see if it's revoked, right? With key management, you have OpenSSL, right? HashiCorp Vault and AWS KMS for key management systems, right? So you can secure your private keys and manage key rotation. Protect cryptographic keys from compromise. For certificate management lifecycle, we have steps to management. All of this stuff. Some more information down here, right? So for CySA Plus exam tips for PKI, right? Understand PKI components, certificate authority, certificates, certificate revocation list, and OCSP, which is the certificate service, and then protocol, right? OSCP. Online certificate status protocol. So no tools like OpenSSL, Let's Encrypt, and Splunk for public key infrastructure management. Explain how PKI works and supports encryption infrastructure and compliance. Practice configuring and monitoring certificates in a lab. We will definitely be doing that, but it's very important that you know public key infrastructure for the test. I'm not sure how much it'll come up, but definitely you need to learn it in labs and stuff like that. So thank you everybody for watching. I look forward to your comments and questions down below. I really do like looking at your comments. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.